my dear students. Today we are going to speak about countable nouns and uncountable nouns relating to the question marks how much and how many and how to use much or many in the question. Besides, we have to differentiate between a lot of, lots of, a few, and a little. Okay, the first important point we have to focus on that how much and a little they are followed by an uncountable noun. Like I can say how much money, how much water, how much milk, how much juice, how much furniture. So anything that we cannot count, it comes after how much. Okay? For the second sentence, I don't drink much milk. I don't drink much tea. So much comes before the liquids. The example number 3, we have got a little time. So of course we can't count time. We can't count time, so I can't say a little or much. Why don't we go for a walk? Well, vice versa. How many? How many, many, and a few. It is followed by plural countable nouns. The plural countable nouns such as books, pens, students that can take a or an before it. I can say a pen, I can say a book. Okay, so I can make the plural of these nouns. They all come after how many. I can say how many books have you read so far. Look here for chips. Chips is countable noun. Okay, so I can say many. I don't want many chips. I don't like them very much. The third example, I invited a few friends. So a few is equal to a little, but little comes with the uncountable nouns, but a few comes with countable nouns only. What about a lot of and lots of? A lot of and lots of, they are followed by both uncountable nouns and countable nouns or plural nouns. For example, I can say soft drinks contain a lot of sugar. There are lots of shops in the city center. Look here, a lot of sugar. Sugar is uncountable noun. And here, shops is countable noun. So a lot of and lots of are the same. They both are followed by countable or uncountable nouns. Okay, before we move to the exercise, I have to show you these slides to show you how to use the countable and uncountable nouns in some examples. Okay. Look here, please. This slide, we have group of words. So which one comes with countable noun and uncountable nouns? Okay. So what about spaghetti? Spaghetti, yeah, very good. Comes with uncountable nouns. Okay. So we have to. What about carrot? Carrot countable. Money uncountable. Petrol. Petrol is a liquid like juice, water, and so on. Comes up with uncountable nouns. Art, uncountable nouns. Chips, countable nouns. What about furniture? Furniture comes with uncountable nouns. Okay. So what about here the second word? What about news? News uncountable for sure. What about snow? Snow is uncountable also. Okay, so this short quiz, check yourself. What about sister? Sister is countable or uncountable? Very good. This countable nouns. So we can ask about the plural of sister. I can say how many sisters. Okay. So here. So here we go. So we're going to have this exercise to answer. Question number 1: how much or how many sugar do you put in your coffee? Which one? Yeah. What about sugar? You know sugar. You have to pay attention. Sugar. What about sugar? You know, sugar, this word is uncountable noun. So we have to use which one of those? We have to use how good, how much, very good. So the second example, I haven't got many or much money with me. Can you give me 20 euros? Okay, so money. Money is related to countable or uncountable. Here, we have a circle on money. Yeah, money. Do you think money is countable or uncountable? Good. So money is uncountable noun. So I can say much money. Very good. What about question number 3? Yeah. Frank can't talk to you right now. She's got a lot or lots of work. Yes. Here, work. Work is countable or uncountable noun. I can say work or works. Let's see. So let's focus on this one. What about work? You have to pay attention for this word very well. Work, we cannot count work. So it takes a lot or lots of course, lots of. But I can say homework. Homework, okay? So I have lots of homework to do. I have much homework to do. Okay? Number 4. This book has lots of or many information. You see information, what kind of a noun this word, information, is countable or uncountable? Let's focus on it, please. Yeah. So what do you think information is? Information is uncountable nouns. Okay? We cannot put S at the end of the noun. So we have to use lots of. Very good. Number 5. Much or many people. Think about people. People is countable or uncountable noun. We can count people. Yeah? So if I can count people, I would say many people. Right? So here the answer, many people. Number 6. With a few or a little help. Notice very well the word help. Help is a kind of a word that we cannot count. We cannot count it. Okay, so help is uncountable noun, so we use a little. Very good. This is a brief explanation about the grammar of Module 3, Lesson G, about countable and uncountable, and what are the quantifiers we use with these nouns. How much, how many, much, many, lots of, a lot of, little, and a little, few, and a few. Thank you very much. Until we meet again, goodbye.